The Nike Shox TL White Work Blue brings back an early 2000s classic with a modern, refreshing twist. This pair stands out with its white mesh upper, designed to look clean while giving a soft, breathable transparency. Covering the upper is a Work Blue TPU cage with flowing, 3D lines that wrap the foot and highlight movement. The combination of crisp white and pale blue creates a calm, refined look that instantly catches attention. Along the sides, the cage follows the slim shape of the sneaker, curving naturally toward the toe for a smooth, forward-moving visual. Precision stitching connects the mesh and cage, emphasizing quality craftsmanship. Of course, the star feature is the signature Shox columns, arranged in rhythmic rows with deeper blue tones near the heel for a dynamic, tech-driven feel. Finished with a sculpted outsole, the Shox TL delivers classic Nike innovation while fitting perfectly into today's street style and everyday wear.